In this video, we're going to go over the services section. We can see that right here on our homepage 1 demo. If I scroll down, we have this what we offer section with our 3 service boxes and then the button for more services. We can also insert this on other pages aside from what you see here in the demo. It's actually inserted using a shortcode in the back end. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do obviously is log in. And then in the main toolbar on the left, we'll find services, and that's sandwiched right in between settings and testimonials. Go ahead and click this, and here you can create your services. And what we want to do is first obviously give it a title, and this one's called Parties, and we can see that right here, Parties. And then give it your text, which will go right here. Now the text is finite. It will not grow or contract depending on how much content you have. You're actually limited to a number of characters or about 3 sentences. So as you see right here, that's more or less what you're going to get. So if you paste in a giant paragraph and you're wondering why you're missing text, that's why. So try to keep it short. Next thing is if we look over on the right hand side, we'll see the featured image section. We want to upload our image there, and that's the image that shows in right here. And then last but not least is the link where this goes to if someone clicks it. So this actually can be clicked. If you don't want it to go anywhere, just leave the field empty. Otherwise, add your link in there, and then when they click the box, it'll go to the page that you designate. Okay. Next thing is the title for the section, the description for the section, and then the services button here. I did cover this part in another tutorial about our theme options panel, but I will go over it one more time. Let's go to Appearance, Theme Options, and then we want to be in General, which is where we are right now, and then find the Services tab. And then here's your title, your description text, and then the link to where you want it to go to if someone clicks the More Services button. Obviously, if you don't want a button there, you just don't fill in this section, and the button will not show up. All right. Now I can show you real fast how we can insert this section into pages as you create them, and it's really easy. Let me just grab the first page I see right here. And you need to make sure you're in Visual Composer mode, which is what we are right now. If you don't see it, you probably see this. And then if you do, just click the Backend Editor button. We'll see this. And it's really easy. I'll just go ahead and add a new section. Find Services right here next to Testimonials. And then this box will load up. Don't worry, this box is supposed to be empty. There are no options for you to set. Go ahead and save it. And let me refresh because I want to refresh. I want to show you something really quick while we're doing this so you don't think something's wrong. Okay, so here's the page that we're currently working on. And if we scroll down, we'll see the text is kind of hard to read. It's white and so forth. Now, it's really meant to have a colored background for this area. So this text right here, we can't change the color of it. By default, it's white. And then these boxes right here, by default, will be white. So what you're going to want to really do is have a colored background so that this shows up if you're inserting it. So for instance, on the home page, I have this pink pattern background, so it shows up really well. And to do that, you just come over into the section that you've created or added. Go to this little pencil right here, and there's some options, and we can do Design Options, and then right here we have Background. I can choose a background color, or I can actually load a background pattern and image, and that's what I've done for the home page of the demo. But let's just use a color really quick, and I'll just do this orange one. It's probably not going to look all that great, but for the purpose of the demo, it'll be okay. So I'll save this, I'll update, and let me refresh the front end. And now what I'll have is the orange section with this, and you can see the text really well in that. So if you're going to use this on different pages, keep that in mind. You're going to want to set a background color for this particular area. Okay, that'll do it for these services.